Sorry guys, I accidentally ended that last clip. Because I was about to press the pause button. Because iPhones now have that feature you can pause in between the video. And I accidentally pressed the stop button instead. So there's going to be a part 2 to this. Okay, this one is now charging. This one died in the last video. Hey, leave it alone. Leave him alone. Let me pause this really quick after I'm done cleaning this brush. Alright, here we go. Let's get it back in there. Yeah, listen to this one. That's crazy. I don't really know where I'll set this down at. You can just see all the carpet lines. Oh, I thought I lost it for a second. It's a party down here. Sadly, just only 4 of them are running. Alright, I had to do that because I saw something on my camera. Alright, there we go. That one thinks it's done. So we'll just put it off to the side for now. And then when they're all done, we're going to check how much stuff they got. Alright, so the next one that just stops, it's going up there. It's just that one. I put it up there because, well, you obviously know. You can just see the side brush. Wow, look at that carpet line. That's crazy. That's the best thing about getting robot vacuums, especially when they're Neato. Neato. As they were the first people to put the LiDAR scanner that turret on the top, that spinning laser. They were the first people to add that. Oh, I wonder when iRobot is going to come out with something like that. Look at that, I can make my own carpet line. Oh, look at that, they're fighting. He got mad at him. What did you do? They're fighting again. Hopefully by the time that all of them are done, this one will have enough charge to join the spot clean. I'm gonna set this right here. You guys are gonna find out if it falls over or not. Yep, it fell over. And I saw it before you guys did too. I wonder how hot that flashlight is getting up here. Oh! Well, that one is dead. Look at that. These need new batteries. Look at that. Low battery. Alright, so that one is disqualified from that spot clean. But there is this hidden menu that I know about. If you press this in, and if you go to the menu, go to support, click it, and then go all the way down while holding this down. There's a hidden menu. And all this does is just goes into a straight line. And like you can control how fast it goes. If you want it to do it on carpet or hard floor, carpet or hard floor, you can control the speed. It goes all the way up to 300 millimeters a second. And then you can set the distance, which is, I have it set to 4,000, which is the max. And I don't know if I'm sure. I don't know if I'm right. I think it applies to every Nito there is, because it works on that one. It works on this one. It's even worked on ones that my friend took out. But I'm pretty sure it only works on the ones that have the screen, like the Botback series. Let me show you what it does. This is all that it does. It just goes in a straight line. The screen changes a little bit. Yep, that's all it does. Look at that good carpet line now. And it just stops when it bumps into something. So yeah, that's what that does. I'm going to show you that it only works when you hold down the front bumper. Because when you go in there without holding it down, go to support, you go all the way down. It's not there anymore. See? It just disappears. Now if I was going to go back out, press this in, go back in there. Oh, what? It didn't show up. Do it. Let me give it a second. Alright, there we go. They're pressed down. Trying to get a good angle of this. There it is. And all you need to do to access it, just press this. Alright, there's only 2 left now. And that one over there, it might be stuck. Come on out. Look at that. That's the side brush from the Roomba i1. I just put it on there because I think it looks better. Alright, I'll resume it back when that one gets out. Alright, there we go. It came out, but it's just it ended. And I'm going to set them down in a way that whichever one that ended first. Oh, that one just ended. That one I actually caught too, but I don't think it was in the frame. This might have enough battery. Yeah, that's like halfway. This one I'm just gonna let it do that straight mode. Like I'll just do that like 4 times. Alright, let's see if this one will let us use it. Alright, here we go.